Clara, something strange happened yesterday.
What happened?
My mom called me in the afternoon.
Okay.
She asked me what I was doing.
And what did you answer?
I told her I watch TV.
All right.
Then she asked me to remind her of my English level at school.
Oh?
I told her I'm at intermediate level.
And?
She sounded disappointed. She said that with that level, my answer should be better.
I see.
She didn't shout, but her voice changed.
That hurts more sometimes.
Yes, and you know she is an English teacher in her country.
That adds pressure.
Exactly. I felt small, like I'm not serious.
And do you think she is right?
I don't know. I just answered her question.
Let me check something.
Okay.
If I ask you, what do you do every evening, what do you say?
I watch TV every evening.
Good. That is correct. Now, if I ask you, what are you doing right now, what do you say?
I talk with you.
That is the problem.
What do you mean?
No, you are missing a structure.
That makes me feel worse.
Don't feel worse. Feel motivated.
I want to prove I can do better.
Good. Then today we'll fix this.
What is the structure called?
It is called the present continuous.
Present continuous.
We use it to talk about actions happening now.
Now, at this moment.
Exactly.
So how do we form it?
Very simple. Subject plus am, is, or are, plus verb and ing.
Verb plus ing.
Yes.
Can you give me some examples?
Of course. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Example 1. I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
Example 2. She is studying.
She is studying.
Example 3. They are playing football.
They are playing football.
Example 4. We are eating dinner.
We are eating dinner.
Good. Now say the sentence you should tell your mom.
I am watching TV.
Perfect.
That already sounds better.
Because it is correct for that moment.
So, I watch TV is for habits.
Yes, for things you do regularly.
And I am watching TV is happening now.
Exactly.
Why didn't I learn this properly before?
Maybe you saw it, but you didn't practice it enough.
That's possible.
Let's practice now.
Okay.
Look at me. I'm speaking. What am I doing?
You are speaking.
Good. You are listening. Say it.
I am listening.
Good. Now make it short.
I'm listening.
Excellent. This feels clearer. Now negative. Say, I am not sleeping.
I am not sleeping.
Short form.
I'm not sleeping.
Good. Now question. Ask me if I am working.
Are you working?
Perfect.
This is not too hard.
Because you are focused.
I really want to get this right.
Good attitude.
Can we try a real situation?
Yes. Imagine your mom calls you again.
Oh no.
She asks, what are you doing?
I am studying English.
Good. Add more detail.
I am studying English in my room.
Excellent.
I am reading my notes.
Very good.
And I am practicing new sentences.
Nice. Now imagine she asks, are you watching TV?
No, I am not watching TV. I am studying.
Perfect.
That sounds strong.
Yes. Now let's make it more dynamic.
Okay.
You are at home. Describe what is happening around you right now.
I am sitting on my chair.
Good.
My brother is playing video games.
Nice.
My father is cooking dinner.
Very good.
My sister is talking on the phone.
Excellent.
Wait, is it talking on the phone or talking in the phone?
Talking on the phone.
Okay.
Good correction.
I am feeling more comfortable.
Good. Let's add a small problem.
All right.
Suddenly, your mom enters the room.
Oh.
What is she doing?
She is looking at me.
Good.
She is asking, "Are you studying?"
And what do you answer?
Yes, I am studying.
And if you are not studying?
No, I am not studying. I am watching TV.
Good honesty.
I don't want another disappointed voice.
I understand.
I want her to feel proud.
Then keep practicing.
Can we try something more complex?
Yes, let's imagine you are at the supermarket.
Okay.
Tell me what is happening.
I am pushing a shopping cart.
Good.
People are walking around me.
Nice.
A woman is choosing vegetables.
Very good.
A man is paying at the cashier.
Excellent.
A child is crying.
Good.
The cashier is scanning products.
Perfect.
This is like describing a picture.
Exactly. That is a good way to practice.
So remember, we use it for actions happening now.
Yes. Say the structure again.
Subject plus am, is, or are plus verb and ing.
Very good.
And for questions, we change the order.
Correct.
Am, is, or are plus subject plus verb and ing.
Excellent.
I think I understand it better now.
Let's test your confidence.
Okay.
Give me a long description of what is happening at your house right now.
All right. I am sitting at my desk. I am studying English with you. My brother is listening to music in his room. He is singing loudly. My father is watching the news in the living room. My mother is preparing dinner in the kitchen. She is cutting vegetables, and she is talking to my aunt on the phone. My sister is doing her homework. She is writing in her notebook. The dog is sleeping near the door. We are all doing different things, but we are staying at home together.
That was very good.
Really?
Yes, your sentences are clear.
I feel different.
How?
At the beginning, I felt embarrassed. I thought my mom was too strict.
And now?
Now I see she was right. I was missing something important.
And now you are fixing it.
Yes, I am learning it. I am practicing it. I am using it.
That's the transformation.
If she calls me today and asks, "What are you doing?" I will say, "I am studying English."
With confidence?
With confidence.
Good.
I am not afraid anymore. I am understanding the difference between habits and actions happening now.
Good. But Jack, before we finish, there are a few more important things you need to know.
More things?
Yes, if you really want to master this tense.
I do. I don't want another disappointed voice from my mom.
Good. Then listen carefully. Let's start with spelling.
Spelling?
Yes. When we add ing, sometimes the verb changes a little.
Oh, no.
Don't worry, it's simple. First rule, most verbs are easy. Just add ing.
Like play?
Yes, play becomes playing.
Playing.
Study becomes studying.
Studying.
Clean becomes cleaning.
Cleaning.
Good. That's the easy part.
Okay, that's fine.
Now, second rule. If the verb ends with e, we remove the e.
Remove it?
Yes. For example, make.
Make. Making?
Not making.
Oh, so just making.
Exactly. Drop the e, then add ing.
Make, making.
Good. Another example. Write.
Writing.
Correct. Not writing.
That looks strange now.
Good. Your eyes are learning.
What about dance?
Dancing.
So we remove the E again.
Yes.
Okay, I need to remember that.
Now, third rule. Some short verbs double the last letter.
Double?
Yes. For example, run.
Running?
No, running.
2 N's?
Yes, running.
Why?
Because it is a short verb with one vowel and one consonant at the end.
That sounds complicated.
Don't worry about the rule name. Just remember common verbs.
Like run, running.
Yes, sit, sitting.
Sitting.
Stop, stopping.
Stopping.
Very good.
So not running, not sitting.
Correct.
I think I made those mistakes before.
Many students do. That's normal.
Okay, I feel more secure now.
Good. Now there is another important point.
What is it?
Some verbs are not usually used in the present continuous
Not used? Why?
because they describe feelings, opinions, or states.
States?
Things in your mind. For example, know.
I am knowing you?
Know, we say, I know you.
Even if it's now?
Yes, I know the answer, not I am knowing.
That sounds wrong when I say it.
Good. Another verb, like.
I am liking pizza?
No, I like pizza.
Even right now?
Yes, like is not usually continuous.
Okay. Understand?
I understand you? Better, I understand you.
Believe?
I believe you. Not, I am believing.
So not every verb takes ing.
Exactly.
That is important.
Very important. Otherwise, you will overuse it.
Overuse?
Use it everywhere, even when it's wrong.
I see.
Let's practice. Say it correctly. I blank you.
I am knowing you.
Try again.
I know you.
Good.
I blank this song.
You answer.
I like this song.
Good. I blank what you mean. Go ahead.
I understand what you mean.
Perfect.
This is helpful. I didn't know that before.
Good. Now, another use.
There's more?
Yes. We also use the present continuous for future plans.
Future? But you said it is for now.
It is mainly for now, but we also use it for fixed plans in the near future.
Can you give me an example?
I am meeting my friend tomorrow.
That is future.
Yes, but the plan is already decided.
So it is arranged,
Exactly.
not just an idea.
Correct. Say, I am visiting my aunt this weekend.
I am visiting my aunt this weekend.
Good. Another one. We are having a test on Monday.
We are having a test on Monday.
Very good.
So I can say, I am studying tonight if it is planned?
Yes.
That is useful.
Very useful.
Let me try something. Tomorrow I am meeting my teacher.
Good.
Next week we are traveling to another city.
Excellent.
Wow, this tense is bigger than I thought.
Yes, that's why your mom expects you to know it.
I'm starting to see why.
Now, let's talk about signal words.
Signal words?
Words that often go with present continuous.
Like what?
Right now.
Right now.
At the moment.
At the moment.
Currently.
Currently.
These words show that something is happening now.
So I can say, I am studying right now.
Perfect.
I am sleeping at the moment.
Very good.
He is working currently.
Excellent.
That makes it clearer.
Yes, they are like small signals.
I am liking it.
Good.
Oh, I mean, I like it, not I am liking it.
Very good correction.
I'm improving.
Yes, you're improving.
You're proud of me?
I'm very proud of you.
I noticed something.
What?
You say you're and I'm a lot.
Yes, in real conversation, we use short forms.
So not always you are.
No, we say you're studying, she's working, they're playing.
Let me try. You're teaching me.
Good.
She's calling her friend.
Yes.
They're watching a movie.
Excellent.
It sounds more natural.
Because it is natural.
So if my mom calls and I say I am watching TV, it's correct.
Yes.
But in real speech, I will say I'm watching TV.
Exactly.
That sounds smoother.
Now, let's do one final simulation.
I'm ready.
Imagine your mom calls tonight.
Okay.
She asks what you're doing.
I'm studying right now.
She asks about tomorrow.
I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow afternoon.
She asks about your brother.
He's playing video games at the moment.
She asks if you know your lesson.
I know my lesson.
Not
I'm knowing.
good. She asks if you like English now.
And you answer, yes, I like English, and I'm enjoying my lessons.
Perfect balance.
I feel different again.
How?
Before, I only knew one form. Now I know the structure, the spelling rules, the special verbs, the future use, and the signal words.
That's full understanding.
If she tests me, I'm ready.
Say one final summary in your own words.
We use present continuous for actions happening right now or for fixed plans in the near future. We form it with am, is, or are plus verb and ing. Sometimes we drop the e or double the last letter. Some verbs like know or like are not usually used in this form, and in real speech, we use short forms like I'm, you're, she's.
That is excellent.
I started confused and hurt. Now I'm confident and calm.
And growing.
Yes, right now I'm not just learning English, I'm building confidence.
That's the real goal.
If my mom calls tonight, she's going to hear a different answer.
And a different voice.
Yes, I'm ready.